Welcome back to our YouTube video. Long time no see. I just put a little bit of an introduction at the beginning of this video because this footage is from like a million years ago. I think you can actually see dinosaurs in the background. I've edited it, so I wanted to get it up, and it is obviously updates on the house, which has now since been finished and is up and running. But so much has gone on in between there. I've had a haircut, we've been on a holiday, of which I did not get much footage from. But yeah, we've had our first family holiday as a family of 4, but we went with lots and lots of family and friends. This little boy is now 9 months old. Can we believe it? I thought I'd just chuck a little introduction in the beginning of this video because, like I said, it's from a million years ago, and I don't even think there's not even an introduction in the beginning of the video. Oh, also I'm full of a cold, if you can't already tell. Get ill on holiday, which is not nice for me. I love that. But yeah, I'm gonna get back into the vlogging, back into the YouTube. It's just hard to sort of balance everything as well as that at the minute with life in general. But I'm trying my best. So here we are. Take 1 million of me coming back to YouTube. I thought I would, like I say, just upload this footage, what I've got, and we'll just go from there. Enjoy! I'm sure I am not the only one always in a rush. I am always in a rush, and I genuinely think it's like part of my personality. I don't remember the last time I was ever, oh, I need to be at such a place for 12, so, you know, I'll have a slow morning and I'll take my time getting ready. I am always 100 miles an hour. I'm coming here and saying this, and let me just tell you, I am not mourning. I would not change my life for the world. I'm always doing something. I think if I did just stop, I wouldn't enjoy it. I wouldn't have it any other way. If there is ever a time where I sit, I'm just like, right, what now? I've had this stupid thing on charge overnight and it doesn't appear to have charged. Amazing, love that for me. We have a floor. We've got the same floor throughout just because obviously it goes with the theme and it's easy to work with. Stefan did want to kit the house out fully with click floor. What was it called? LTK. Is it called LTK? LKT? What?
ABC.
That's it. What's that flooring called?
Actual floor, herringbone.
Yeah.
Wooden floor.
So Stefan did want to put like a click floor in herringbone, whatever it's called, herringbone. But we had a quote and it was very, very, very expensive, and for a rental property, not really practical. Obviously we've got to bear in mind that people are just going to come into this house and not everybody has the respect that you would have for your own house. As much as the floor would have looked absolutely sensational, and so I had to think practically, is it going to be for the best? And no, so we've gone for like a luxury vinyl, and obviously it is herringbone. It looks like herringbone basically. Coming in through the front door, we've obviously now had the hallway painted and it looks absolutely gorgeous. We need a nice light fitting for here. We've seen the kind of light fitting we want and I think it's going to look really, really nice. I also want to show you the internal doors that we've gone for. They are so, so nice. This one and this one that you can see have both got a window in, just so we can let as much light in as possible through them doors into like the living room. But the rest of the internal doors look like that. Absolutely gorgeous. But we've got gold, we've gone for gold like handles. They look so, so nice. It's a little bit chaotic at the moment. All the hallways been painted. We're now just waiting on stir carpet and hallway upstairs. Whilst we're here, we're just going to try and get a few little bits and bats done. We've got a bed that needs going up, a kitchen that needs cleaning, and a bathroom that needs cleaning. So I think I'm going to get on with the cleaning jobs. My little marigolds on. I'm always dressed for the occasion, of course, not. I love this room. I love how big the window is. Obviously a cute little cardboard situation going on there. The blinds have not yet been put up. But that window lets in so much light, so this room it just feels so big and airy and big and hairy. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's get on with some little jobs. Hey, we've not got much time. Hello angels, good morning from me and my little pea head. So we're at the house again this morning. It's now Sunday and I thought I'd just pick up the camera and just show you what we're getting up to today. Doing like little shitty jobs, not shitty jobs, but just the bits of things that just accumulate, stuff that just needs doing. So currently in the second bedroom, just in the first bedroom, let me just show you. Obviously all upstairs now is ready for furnishing. But I just thought I'd just show you where we're up to. So like I said, all the floor is down, all the painting is done. This is the first bedroom, the master bedroom. Each room's got like a different theme. But this room, the theme for this room for me is like dreamy clouds, and obviously with this wall light, it's all very, very relaxed, dreamy vibes. The TV is on the wall. Oh, that's a cute duster, not. I've been dusting this was fresh this morning, but I've been dusting all the blinds. So all the blinds were already in the house, because obviously, like I said, we did rent it out last year. We put new blinds in every single room. So we've kept all them, but obviously they've just been in storage, so they just needed dusting. So I'm dusting all the blinds. Obviously they're quite big windows, so quite big blinds. Cleaning all the windows. On the bathroom of fashion, I cleaned it all yesterday when we came, and then when I've been back this morning, just to finish up, it's all dusty again. It just keeps settling, but there is no more like actual work to be done upstairs, so it will just keep settling until it all goes. So it's just one of them things. I'm just trying to keep on top of it as much as I can. We've got 2 hanging lights that are going to come from the ceiling, I think. But you know what? I don't think I want that anymore. What I'd seen was, if you know like the cloud lights from IKEA, there's just like bits of crumpled up paper essentially, but it looks like a cloud. And I'd seen them hanging from the ceiling, just small ones, and they look really, really nice, but they don't do them in this country. You can't get them anywhere online. Trust me, I've looked. So I thought, right, okay, well, we'll do something else, a different type of hanging light. But honestly, I really don't feel like it needs it. This is the thing, like, if I was to say, right, yeah, Stefan, just drill. He's put the wiring is in there. The ceiling just needs drilling. Once we drill the ceiling, we're committed then. And I have ordered these lights on eBay. If I remember, they are downstairs, so I'll show you. They are a hanging, because I was like, right, well, we need a hanging light to replace my original idea, which doesn't even exist, not in this country anyway. They look really cheap, and I don't want it to like just ruin the vibe. I just don't know. So I'm not really sure on that. Maybe we get something different, just little bedside table lights. So anyway, so we're gonna have floating shelves as bedside tables here and here. And then I've ordered a bed from Dusk. It's quite natural, quite understated, nothing too extravagant, because this is the feature for this room, so we didn't want anything too in your face because it wasn't necessary. And then also in this room we'll probably have some sort of, depending on where the bed comes to, we'll have some sort of desk, or even just like a shelf area, something like that. Nice mirror on the wall. I would prefer the mirror to be on this wall, just because obviously it's daylight coming in. That would be better. So back to this room. The theme for this room is like a moody theme. So I've gone for a darker colour on the walls in here. But yeah, I've got a black bed frame for this room, not this. Again, this bed was new last year, and it has been a little bit wrecked with, obviously it's just stayed in this house whilst all the work's been going on. It was covered over, but obviously it's just been dragged here, there and everywhere. So it still feels quite sturdy, but there's nothing wrong with it. All it needs is a little bit of sanding down and painting, which I can do. So this bed's gonna go in the room downstairs. And then, like I said, I've got a bed for this here in this box, and it's like a wire black metal bed frame. Again, it's nothing too extravagant. You can pay hundreds and hundreds of pounds for bed frames, but we didn't want to do that. I want to keep the look of it quite luxurious, and so it looks expensive, but on a budget, if that makes sense. At the end of the day, it's being rented out, so there's no point paying £500 for a bed frame. So the bed frame, obviously when that's up, I'll show you that. And obviously when we go downstairs, I'll talk you through the theme for the third bedroom. But yes, for now, I'm just doing these little crummy jobs. I'm gonna clean the blinds in here and clean the window, and then I'm gonna hoover the floor. It's not even bad, it's just like a little bit of dust. Hoover the floor, give it a mop, and then I can shut this door, and that's this room done. We'll go downstairs and do some bits down there. It's now 12 o'clock. I am a little bit hungry, so we may do some food very, very soon. Very quickly too, just while we're on the subject, this is one of them flash dust magnets. It's just like a plastic handle. I got it from B&M the other day, and it's got like, it comes with 4 replacement heads. Now these could be a complete waste of time, or you might think of a better idea for cleaning your blinds. Honestly, it's so quick. I hate cleaning blinds. First world problems. You get proper in the crevices, it's great. But do excuse dancing fruit in the background because I know you can hear it. This is where we're up to with the media wall. Put wires in each shelf so that we could have lights in each shelf, but now we're thinking it might be a little bit overkill. So just for the time being, we've just got lights in these bottom 2 shelves. There will be a mantle on this wall here. And then in here, this is where we've done the fireplace. This is an electric fire, so it's not actually real. Can I open that door or not?
Yeah.
But oh my God, look how real it looks. Yeah. We've gone for the electric fire with, it's got like a little fake flue.
Yeah.
And then Stefan's done, to create like a bit of a cottage type fireplace situation, Stefan's put brick slits. So it looks like actual bricks, obviously, but it's not. It's literally just bricks that have been sliced, am I right?
Yeah.
I went and picked them up from a brick company. They were already like pre-sliced. Were they expensive?
No, 60 quid I think for a box.
Just done, obviously.
So
obviously it's done that whole section there. Stefan's put sand and cement in between each of them today.
It's not dried yet, has it?
It's not dried yet, he's only just done it. But the brick slips were stuck on that back wall with tile adhesive. This is what we're working with at the minute, and I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. It looks so effective. Also, Stefan's put a little strip light above that. We love a good strip light. We have strip lights everywhere at the minute. We put a strip light above that just so it gives it that nice warm effect. Obviously it's broad daylight at the minute, so you don't really get the full effect. But does it look good? Chuffed to bits with that. Are you so glad? He's so cute. So I just want to quickly show you this little dining table, what Stefan's done. As it is a bit of a living dining area, we'd only got room for a small dining table. But Stefan bought this piece of wood. We bought this piece of wood from eBay. So it was like a big length of wood like that. And what we're going to do is chop it up and use it for different bits. So obviously we've used it for the dining table. He's going to use it for like a slim shelf over the radiator as you walk in. And also a couple of floating shelves in the first bedroom. We then bought the hairpin legs off eBay again. And then those little dining chairs, quite cheap and cheerful. I think with the colour of them, I really like them. I think they look really nice. Just come flat pack just from IKEA. I think they were about 45 quid.
I never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart.
Hiya, can I get a flat white, please? A bottle of water, please. Hello, good morning, happy Thursday, gang. I just have not been in the best of moods today. I always feel like I'm in that negative mindset. I don't want to film. Who wants to watch and hear me moaning and whinging? The reason I am filming this is because we see a lot of it online, on TikTok, on YouTube, on whatever platform. A lot of mums doing mum life and making it look really, really easy. It's all, you know, sunshine and roses. And yes, it is. A lot of the time, it's incredible, it's amazing. That's why we have children. But sometimes it's not easy, and sometimes it does take a toll. What I am here to tell you is if you're a new mom and you're finding it difficult, you are not alone. I'm sure everyone's going to agree with me here. It's not being the mum that's the difficult bit. Looking after a baby is hard, but that's not the hardest bit. that bit would be easy if it wasn't for everything else that we do on top of it. Keeping the house running, all the washing done, making sure the fridge is always full. If everything falls onto us, there's something we've not got something in, or, you know, it's like automatically our responsibility because we've chosen to be a mum. I'm not moaning about it, like I chose this life and I love my life. Just want you to know that I don't find it easy. But anyway, I thought I'd film today. Like I said, I'm not really sure how much footage I'm gonna get. We're going swimming, you can't really film whilst you're in swimming. I have like a mental to-do list every day, and 9 times out of 10 I don't always get through that to-do list, but this morning I thought, I'm getting out of this house. If you're frustrated or it's getting a little bit much, pack all your stuff up. Anything you might need that day, just put it all in a bag, put it in the car and get out, put it in the pram and get out if you don't drive. Get out of the house. I think because we spend so much time in that environment, that in itself takes its own little toll. It's like, you know, a hamster on a wheel. If you're struggling with your self-image, I've got a really, really good tip for you. Don't take a picture of yourself from the side. I'm messaging my hairdresser now because I'm booking him for, my hair needs cutting. It needs cutting, it needs toning, it needs whatever. Anyway, I was gonna send her a picture of my postpartum hair loss because it's vibing. And honestly, that picture is going absolutely nowhere other than on the fire, because if my self-esteem wasn't already on the floor, it certainly is now. So never ever ever take a picture of yourself from the side like this. Don't do it, sister. Hello darlings, good afternoon. Hello gorgeous boy. Whilst I was at the Trafford Centre, I ran into Sephora because I've never been in yet. Don't like it, don't like the vibe, don't like the vibe. I wanted a good old shop and a good old look at things, but I felt like I had eyes on me all the time. Sometimes, you know, when they come over, especially in like a JD or whatever, and they'll go, do you need any help? And I always say, no, I'm all right, thank you. Unless there's something I need help with, obviously. And they leave you alone. Love that. But like in Sephora, I felt like there were security guards at the back of me. Like I felt like I was doing something wrong. Obviously, because I've got the pram as well, I always think people think I'm shoplifting. I didn't like the vibe, so I quickly came out of there. I wasn't a fan. We're back again. I don't think there's any ending to this vlog either. So here we are, just ending the vlog. I'm gonna vlog the next couple of days. And yeah, just show you what we're going up to. It's nothing exciting, but them are my favourite type of videos, just the everyday life type. So here we are, enjoy, have a lovely day. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Excuse me. Can you've got to look into the camera. Thank you so much for watching. No, Mama. No, Mummy. Mama. Say